to cleanse your aura. I'm Miriam from Precious Time, and in today's video I would like to share with you a few ways that I've picked up over my many years of studying and working with modalities in healing, energy work, and human transformation. So the aura is the electromagnetic field that surrounds our physical body. And if you've ever done my courses or if you've done workshops with me, you would remember that I always say we are energy fields or spiritual beings having a physical body and not the other way around. So our energy field is huge and it's always surrounding our physical body. And over time and during our daily interaction and daily lives, we pick up a lot of unwanted vibrations and energies, and our aura absorbs it. And this is why sometimes you feel fatigued, tired, or not feeling right. Of course, there are many reasons to feel fatigued, but one of them is absorbing too much undesired or negative vibrations and energies into your aura. So when you cleanse it, you restore it and you make it healthy again. Just like when we take care and cleanse and clean our physical body, taking care of our energy body is also very useful. Before sharing with you my tips, I would like to mention a few things. I've noticed when you work with healing modalities or energy work or anything, meditation or any of these self-improvement modalities, it's all about intention. And setting the intention in a clear, focused way truly sets the ground for the exercise. So like in meditation or any other form of these modalities, set your intention for an aura cleansing exercise. I find it very useful and it kind of sets the tone, and I don't know, it just makes me more focused. So you just say, my intention is to clear and restore my aura to its original bright self, and go ahead and then start your exercise. I also feel another thing that's very important is to do a couple of deep breathing before the cleansing itself. I like to do the pranic breath work. You can use any type of breathing technique that you like. So for me, the pranic kind of sets my body and I'm ready to start my aura cleansing. Okay, let's discuss the tips. Tip number 1 would be to go for a swim in the ocean or sea. So if you live close to an ocean or a sea, take advantage of that and just go for a swim for a few minutes, and that would cleanse our aura. Tip number 2 is to simply be in the sunlight. Just going for a walk in the sunlight, of course not midday super hot days, just when you're in the right temperature, and go for a walk and just enjoy the sunlight on your skin. This will also help you cleanse and restore your aura. Tip number 3 is to go for a walk again with the wind. So if you have a bit of wind brushing against your skin, blowing your hair, this will also kind of work its way into restoring and cleansing your aura. Tip number 4 is to just take a physical shower with the intention of cleansing your aura. So you're in the shower and envisioning that the water is also cleansing your energy body. Tip number 5 is to use one of these amazing crystals, and it's called the selenite crystal. The properties of this crystal are enormous in healing, in helping you with negative vibes and negative energies, and all you have to do is hold it and just go around your full body, above and beyond your physical body as much as you can, and you just, as if it's touching the aura, and it's gonna cleanse it, restore it, and help it get rid of lingering negative energies or negative, vibes on it, and it just clears it. So you can do it as many times as you want, in any fashion you want. I like to start in layers. I start close to my body, then I go bigger, and then I go the biggest that I can. And you can switch hands, of course, if you want to. The 6th method to cleanse your aura is using sage. So you've heard of sage burning or sage smudging, and you get them in a bunch and you burn the tippy top of it and let the smoke come out. And then like we did with the crystal, you just go over your physical body, but be careful of course, and just go as big as you can. Make sure the smoke surrounds you, goes over you, under you, to your sides. And you notice this is a ritual that has been used, for many years, and it's evident in many cultures and many religions where they burn incense or sage, and they kind of just go over you, around you, your physical body, and it is to keep negative entities away or negative energies. So maybe at the time we didn't call it aura cleansing, but it's very effective and it cleanses the aura. Now, of course, you want to be careful if you're allergic to smoke, or if you don't like the smell of sage, then I've given you many other ways to cleanse your aura. A seventh way to cleanse your aura, and I'm going to demonstrate for you, is by using the Reiki energy healing. If you're attuned to Reiki, then this is also a great way to cleanse and restore your aura. So you call upon the universal energy force of Reiki, and then this is how you do. I'm going to show you here. You stand up fully, getting the energy moving in your hands, and you start at the tippy top of your head as far as you can go, and then very slowly start bringing your arms down, bending all the way, and then touch the ground. So you are releasing everything into the ground, and then come back again. I like to do it on all sides. Come to the sides, and same thing, go all the way further down, touch the floor. And then you can do it from the back, where you are igniting your Reiki energy healing, and you are cleansing your aura, and go to the down, or you can keep your legs straight, whatever is comfortable for you. And this way, what you are doing is you are cleansing your aura from all sides. You can repeat this as much as you can, and you can concentrate more, focus on the Reiki energy flowing in your body and going to restore every single bit of your aura. The eighth way to cleanse your aura is the same as the demonstration that I showed you using Reiki, but instead of Reiki, you can just apply on your hands your favorite essential oil. It could be lavender, it could be lemon, it could be any scent that's appealing to you. So you just rub a bit, and you do the same technique. You just stand up and you start very slowly going over your aura in whatever form you like, whatever resonates with you. Use your body as a cue. Usually your body lets you know what's right. Use your intuition and just go over it as many times as you want. 3 to 4 times usually is sufficient, and make sure you touch your aura from all its sides and surround yourself with the essential oil fragrance. And of course, all is in your intention. So you start off with the intention of cleansing your aura, and then always when you reach the floor, the ground, touch it. So whatever you pulled off, you're releasing it into Mother Earth, because she has the ability to take all this energy and transmutes it into positive light. The last tip I would like to share with you to cleanse your aura is a very profound and powerful one, and it is using envisioning or visualization. And you will envision a beautiful golden divine light coming from up above, entering into your space and cleansing you in every possible way. So you start envisioning the light, you stay with it for as long as you want. You envision the light coming, cleansing, clearing, restoring your aura, helping you regain your authentic light, your authentic higher self. So you stay with it, it comes. You could be seated, you could be standing. Personally, I like to practice this type of aura cleansing while standing. I feel it's more powerful, but you can try different stuff and see what works for you. So I stand and I start envisioning this beautiful divine golden light, and I see it cleansing my aura, just spinning everything. Just I see a spinning light around me, getting rid of any debris, any toxins, any negative vibes, negative energies, whatever entities. And I just see the light growing and spinning around me, clearing my aura and restoring it and making it more healthy, clear, bright, and helping me, get rid of all the unwanted energies that I have absorbed. Aura cleansing is a very valuable practice because it truly helps us get rid of all the unwanted debris or negative energies or whatever we absorb. It helps us stay authentic and shine through our authentic light. It protects us, and it also helps us attract positive things into our lives because it's nice and vibrant and restored and clear, and you just attract similar frequencies and similar vibrations. So when your aura is cleansed, you truly operate at a higher vibration frequency. So I hope you found the ways I shared with you useful, and I hope you're inspired to try a few of them or maybe all of them. Try them all, see how you feel, and see what resonates with you. As always, reach out to me with all your questions, suggestions, and concerns. And if you do have other ways or methods to cleanse your aura, then kindly share them with me and put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you found this video useful, then share it with your friends, your like-minded friends, right? Yeah. And subscribe to my channel so you will always be updated with my latest self-improvement videos. Thank you for watching, and happy aura cleansing.